girlfriend sent me a video yesterday or the day before of a boa that was eating one of her babies. So apparently it happens. Thank you for that.
I have heard of that because and most boas they'll eat the infertile ovum. I haven't heard about them eating babies. That's interesting.
Never. They are not cannibals, naturally.
I wouldn't have thought that.
One of my other mentors had a female that wanted to eat her new boyfriend once. That was not very nice, but she was also known for being extremely food driven. But gladly she hadn't left the room yet, so she was able to get her off him and give him a little, it's gonna be okay. And then she fed her and then waited a few days and put him back, and there was no problems after that. But apparently it does happen sometimes. The yellows will eat their babies if they meet them after the birthing experience. And that's why they are so defensive, because anything that moves in the yellow anaconda world will eat you. Even your mom in 3 hours.
That is awful. That is awful. You better not hang around mom. You better just fly the coop as soon as you
Yes, absolutely. Your siblings got a few rodents before you, and they meet you again, then you're dead. And that's why yellow anacondas are so tricky animals to keep, because they are so afraid the first 2 to 3 years of their life, because it's so ingrained in their instincts that if something sees you, you're fucking